Hi folks, welcome back to West Bushcraft. Come out today to do a number of things really, I suppose. One of which is have a brew, because it's really cold today, but I'm going to do hopefully quite a few videos over the next few weeks. I've been asked to do loads of things, one of which is a review on this jacket. I tend to wear it quite a lot, especially this time of year, and I've had quite a few requests for a review. But the main reason I've come out today is obviously wish all the subscribers and everybody else that watches a bit of a belated Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope everything for this year goes where you want it. I hope you get everything you ever want. So, but the main reason for the video today is to do a 500 subscribers competition. Now, I'm led to believe that apparently once you go over 500 subscribers, you got through a bit of a competition in bushcraft. So, I thought long and hard about trying to come up with something that was actually a really good idea that hadn't already been done. There's masses of great competitions out there on the sort of 500 subscribers challenge, like in, you know, a fire with one spark and all sorts of really, really great ones. But what I thought was to do a bushcraft video, and I'm a real film buff. I love films. I really, really like films. I went to see The Hobbit the other day, and it gave me this idea that what I want you to do for this competition is to do a video sort of 2 to 4 minutes long, in the style of your favourite film or your film genre. So if you want to dress up as Gandalf or The Hobbit or whatever you want, or a Star Wars thing, you know, have half a blue face and, you know, be Braveheart that's worried about his super noodles being taken. So anything you want, that's the competition. So 2 to 4 minute video in a film or a film genre of your style. Now the prize is going to be this. Now this is a knife I designed quite a long time ago, and it's called the Romany Bushcrafter, and it was actually named after my grandmother, who was a Romany gypsy. And the blade itself, actually before I come on to this, is a really good tip for winter. These sort of little packets of silica gel you get with all sorts of things, put those in with your knife, and it stops all of the water getting to it and stops it rusting up if you don't use it over winter. It sort of soaks up all the moisture. But so this is the prize. This is called the Romany Bushcrafter. It's a knife I designed quite some time ago, with the idea that it was actually a bit of a dual-purpose knife. Reason being is, if you're doing it ordinary bushcraft tasks, bigger tasks, you notice here it's got like a double choil arrangement here. So your hand would go on, obviously you've got the handle. The hand would go on, just the first choil here, and you can do much bigger work like battening and what have you. But if you want to do some fine sort of up-close carving work, your hand can then go into the second choil here to give you much more control over the top of the knife. Now, so it's a knife I've been using for quite a while now, and this is one of the blades that I've got as well. The blades were actually made by a fellow called Duncan Chandler, and Duncan Chandler's really well known. He's probably one of England's best sort of bladesmiths. He owns a company called Dorset Woodland Blades, I believe it's called, Dorset Woodland Knives. Really nice guy. He's known as Fidget on quite a few sort of forums, and actually he's got his own YouTube channel as well, FGYT Fidget, or FYGT, I can't remember now, sorry. But that's the prize. So obviously if you're over 18, obviously that'll be the prize for you, for whoever's the winner. If you're under 18, I'll sort you something else out, don't worry about it. So anyway, that's it. So do a video, 2 to 4 minutes, send it to me as a video response, and good luck. I hope all goes well.